Good morning, students. Last class we discussed about CSA, TSA, and volume of the cylinder and cone. Okay. In that class we solved some problems which are related to the cylinder. We left over the problems related to cone. So today's our objective is to solve the problems related to cone. Whatever we left yesterday, again to know the relationship between volume of the cone and cylinder. To solve the problems based on LSA, TSA and volume of the cube and cuboid from our textbook. So first our object. Before going to object, every day we are saying on the aim of the chapter. To know the importance of the 3D objects in our daily life. So you know in manufacturing industry, medicine or in cool drinks manufacturing, how to fill the bottles with cool drinks and battery. So this is also cylinder vehicle. So matchbox, everyday life we use. How to manufacture? It is a cuboid. So how many? So based on value we can say how many chart pieces we can insert in a box. These all are very important in our daily life, which are related to our 3D objects. Today we are going to our first object. The problems related to the cone, whatever we left in last class. So already you know cone which has height, radius and slant height. Already we discussed relation between slant height and radius. So L is square equals to h square plus r square. Otherwise we can also written as L equals to under root of h square plus r square. Already we discussed in the last class. And another one. So that is CSA, TSA and value of cone. So CSA is a pi r L. R is the radius of the circle, base of the circle, and L is the slant height of the cone. TSA is pi r L plus r. Value is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we have to see some problems. Suppose r equals to 6 centimeters, h equals to 10 centimeters. Then we have to find the CSA, TSA and value of the cylinder. First I want to find CSA. So we know CSA equals to pi r L. Pi value you know that is 22 by 7. R value is given 6. But what about L? So in that problem L is not given, but we know the relationship between radius, height and L. So by using this problem we are able to find L value. So L equals to, otherwise L square equals to R square, 6 square plus 10 square. Otherwise you can go for the square numbers better. 8. So 8 square. So L square equals to 6 square, 36 plus 64. That is L square equals to 100. So L becomes 10 centimeters. So now we can use the L value in our CSA formula, pi r L. Now what is the L value? 10. So now simplify. 22 into 6 into 10, that is 60 by 7. Now you have to simplify. 22 into 60, 2 into 60, 12, 1, 12 plus 1, 13, 0. 13 into 0 by 7. Now we have to divide with the 7. So we can take only 100. 7 ones 7. 6, 62. So we can't take 9 times, it becomes 63. We can take only 8 8 times. 7 into 8, 56. So that is 6, 0. Again 8, 56, 4, 0. So that is point. So 4, 5 times, 35. So 188.5. 188.5 centimeters square. This is the CSA of cylinder hose. Radius is 6 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters. Now we have to find the TSA. So we know the formula for TSA, that is pi r of TSA equals to pi r of L plus R. So pi 22/7, R equals to 6. L we already know, that is 6. L equals to 10. R value is a 6. L is a 10. R equals to 6. So 22 into 6, 10 plus 6, that is 16/7. So 22 into 6, that is 22/7, 6 into 16, 6 into 16, 96 I think, 36, 361, 96. So again you have to find 22/7, you know already 3.14, you can use direct, otherwise you have to divide. So I want to take direct 22/7, 3.14 into 96. Now we have to multiply 3.14 into 96. Otherwise 96 into 3.14. 96 into 3.14 with 4 value. 4 6 are 24. 2 4 9 are 36 plus 2 38. So 4 6 and 9. Next 6 3s are or 3 6 are 18, 1, 27, 1, 28. 4 4 1 9 18 21 1 9 2. So after 291.4. So 291.44 centimeters square. That is the TSA of the cone whose radius is 6 centimeters, height is 8 centimeters. Still one more thing is left over, that is the volume of the cone. So we know the formula for volume of the cone. Volume of the cone equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi r square h. Pi value know, 22/7, r value also know, h value also know. So 1/3 into pi equals to 22/7. Otherwise I can also write 3.1, both are same, into r. R equals to 6. R equals 6 centimeters. H equals to 8 centimeters. So we can get r square, 6 square into h, 8. Now 1/3 into 22/7 into 6 square, that is 36 into 8. So we have to multiply that now. So first 22 into 36. 22 into 36. 6 12. So 6 2s are 12. 1 12 plus 1 13. 6 and 6. 2 9 7 792. Again 22 into 36 792. Again we have one more 8. You have to multiply with 8. 8 2s are 16. 1. Next one more 8 9s are, so we got 8 9s are 62 plus 1. So before going to this calculation, we can, is there any cancellation we can do? 3 1s are 3 12s are, still there any cal? No. So 22/7 we know already. 3.14 into 12 into 8 is better, I think. So 12 into 8. 8 2s are 16. 1. 8 1s are 96. So 3.14 into 96. So 96 into 3.14. 4 6 are 24. 2 4 9s are 36 plus 2 38. 6 9 3 6 are 18. 1 3 9s are 27. 1 28. 4 14. 1 9 plus 9 18. 21. 1 9 2 291.44 centimeter cube. This is the value of the cone. So still now we saw some problems which are related to CSA, TSA, value of the cone. Now what is our second object? We have to find the relationship between value of the cone and value of the cylinder, which have same radius and same height. So first we have to see the cylinder. So cylinder radius is R, height of the cylinder is H. So one cone. So same height means here also height of the cone is H. So radius of the cone also R. So we have to see the relationship between volume of the cylinder and the volume of the cone. So first we have to find the volume of the cylinder. VO, volume of cylinder. Already we derived formula for volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. R is the radius of the cylinder, h is the height of the cylinder. So that is next volume of the cone. Volume of cone equals to 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cone, h is the height of the cone. Already we discussed radius of the cylinder and radius of the cone, both are equal because same radius. So height of the cylinder, height of the cone are also same. So pi r square h we can replace with the volume of the cylinder. So 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So otherwise we can write volume of cylinder is 1/3 times of volume of cone. So what we can say, volume of the cylinder is 3 times of the volume of the cone. We draw like this. So volume of the cylinder is 3 times of the volume of the cone. Otherwise, volume of the cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. So we can see one small video in the mobile just for 3 seconds. Fill this cylinder, we have to fill water in 3 times. One time we can fill only 1/3 of the cylinder, and next time, next part, next 1/3, last 3 times. So we have to pour the water 3 times. The cylinder will fill. So still one more object is left over. That is, we have to solve the textbook problems which are related to the formulas of LSA, TSA and volume of cube and cuboid. You know, already we discussed all the problems, related formulas and related problems, cuboid. Once again we have to see some problems which are related to our textbook. So we have to see the formulas for cube. What is the cube formulas? Shall I write here? For cube, so LSA, 4 sides, each side is a square, that is 4a square. TSA, 6 square, 6 spaces, 6a square. So value, that is a cube. These are related to the cube. Next is cuboid, that is LSA equals to 4 bases, 2HR L plus B square means TSA 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So volume equals to L into B into H. These are the formulas which are related to our cuboid and cuboid. Now you will see some problem in our textbook. So first exercise 10.1, from the volumes and surface areas. You can see the first problem. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the following right prisms. So right prism something, but it may be a cube or cuboid. First is given cube, each side is 4 centimeters. We have to find the total surface area. Total surface area, lateral surface area. Exercise 10.1, problem number 1. So he is given one cube whose edge is 4 centimeters. Right, please. 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters. For this you have to find the LSA and TSA. Two things only he asked. So LSA of the cube, 4a square. A value is given, a equals to 4. So LSA equals to 4a square. 4 into, what is the a value here? 4 centimeters. So a equals to 4 centimeters. A is nothing but length of this side. Otherwise we can use one more word, h of the cube. So 4 into a square, 4 square. So 4 into 4 square is 16. Okay, 16 4s are, okay, you can check 16, 4, 24, 2. So 64 centimeters square. This is a LSA. Next you have to find the TSA. TSA nothing 6a square. 6 into a value is 4, 4 square. 6 into 16. 16 6 is 96 centimeters square for the first one. The second question, in the second bit is given on cuboid. For that also you have to find LSA and TSA. That problem you have to do at home. What is given in cuboid? L equals to 8. First question. Second bit, L equals to 8 centimeters. B equals to 6 centimeters. Next, H equals to 5 centimeters. We have to find total surface area, lateral surface area for this problem at home. So today what we discussed, the first objective, whatever left over in last class, which are problems related to the cone, and our second object, relationship between cone and cylinder. Volume of the cone is 1/3 of cylinder. Next, last object is some problems which are related to our textbook. We will continue our textbook problems in the next class. Thank you.